I'm Bryn.
And I'm Jade.
And this is Talisman,
a 28-foot Sultan stag. We spent the last year learning all about her and learning to sail along the UK's south coast.
Though our experience is limited, our ambitions are high, and in June 2021 we undertake our journey from the UK to the Mediterranean.
We hope you'll be entertained by us and learn from our many mistakes as we go from zero to full-time cruisers in the space of a year. We've been working hard getting Talisman up to her best and plan to show you how we got her as blue water ready as possible.
Being a 41-year-old boat did mean that some cleaning was needed, and we also added a few exciting upgrades like heating, solar and a new water system, doing as much work as possible ourselves and learning as we go.
We're having an absolute blast and hope to show an honest look at what it's like to set sail on a budget to some warmer seas.
We promise there is plenty to see, from wet and stormy seas
to beautiful sunrises and sunsets. We would love the company for all of the ups and especially for the downs along the way. We hope that you'll join us on our most exciting adventure yet.
Follow two wayward brummies from buying Talisman and all that comes next.
One of the biggest obstacles we can face is the feeling that we have time to get around to things, when in reality, life is short and worth your time now, not later.